Do you ever wish that you could have an army of AI agents working for you? So that might be a possibility. So my name is Jordan Wilson. I'm the host of Everyday AI. So this is a segment called AI in 5. So we help everyday people not just understand AI, but to actually use it. So let's take a look at this piece of technology. But before we do, reminder, go to youreverydayai.com, sign up for our free daily newsletter. Also, we have a live stream podcast, but let's actually talk about, can you have an AI army work for you? So this tool is called Mind OS. So this is a AI powered software that essentially uses what's called AI agents. So without spending an hour explaining what that for, explaining what AI agents are, think of it like this. With ChatGPT, you kind of give it one command and it gives you one output. With AI agents, you can give more of an open-ended command, and you can watch these kind of different agents go back and forth and to keep working on and on and on. So let's just give an example. So you can sign up for a free account. As always, make sure to check out this company's privacy policies, terms and conditions, all that, so you can see how they're using your data. Because you can also upload your own data with this Mind OS. I'm not going to. I'm just going to show you some basic functionality. So if you like it, you can dive in a little bit more. So I'm going to use this industry report right here. So let's go ahead and or this industry analysis. So I'm typing in, I want an industry report on generative AI in the United States in 2023. And so what you'll see is it's getting to work. And you can see all of this back and forth of what's happening. It's using OpenAI. So it's using, and you can click on it to kind of see a little bit more information if you want to know. It's also looking up different infographics in Google Images. It's searching the web. So this is kind of the difference between like normal, what you would call ChatGPT, where you kind of give it a more of a close-ended command. It does one task and it kind of gives you the result. Here, with kind of more of an agent and this kind of Mind OS tool, it's going back and forth. It's doing a lot of work, almost as if it's a team of AI working on this. And you'll see right here, it actually says generating answers for you, and it's writing to file. So here in a second, we'll kind of be able to see what it produces. So, give it a very vague, open-ended command just to kind of see what it gave us. So let's see. So it looks like our report is done. So here we go. Not bad. We have some graphics from Google Images. We have an industry report. Looks like it probably used ChatGPT or GPT-4 to generate this report. It's giving us an overview. Pretty good stuff. Not bad. So let's do another little test here to see how this works with something maybe that might require a little more creativity, something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and go back, and I'm going to use one of these other kind of featured AI geniuses. So I'm going to say, plan me a trip to Chicago and highlight the top summer activities. So I'm in Chicago, so we'll see, and it's the summer here. So in Chicago, we suffer through 9 months of what seems like winter, and we have 3 beautiful months here in Chicago. So let's see if this Mind OS can do a good job at uh, the task I gave it. So again, what's really interesting to see is to look at what these kind of agents are doing in the background and to see what's happening. So it's generating answers. So let's see how it did, or if it's still going. So it says trip plan right here. Didn't see it. Looks like it might not have worked great here. Oh, here we go. All right, so I just clicked on the plan here. So pretty impressive. So we get an overview, geography, history, attractions, local life customs, deep dish pizza. No, especially if you're a tourist, no trip to Chicago is complete without deep dish pizza, and some sports. We pulled some images in here. Pretty recent here too, because it's bringing in this NASCAR graphic, which actually just happened yesterday. So pretty impressive that it's pulling in some recent information. And then we have here kind of looks like a 7-day plan. So I'm kind of looking through it. It's getting some of the more kind of touristy things, but that's great. So if you're using this to explore a new city, pretty cool. So, I didn't want to go too deep into it right away, but definitely, I think this is worth checking out. This new Mind OS tool. There's a lot of different features and functionality that we don't have time to go into in the AI in 5. But it looks like you can really use it for mind mapping. You can use this in your own products and services. So make sure to check out Mind OS. So a really cool way to kind of explore what these AI agents are, and they do have a free kind of trial as well. So take it for a spin. Let me know what you think, and also please go to youreverydayai.com. If you found this useful, we do these quick AI in 5 tutorials every single day. So we hope to see you back for another one and to see you at Everyday AI. Thanks.